Yes! And of course, kung saan kayo ginahula, kap-kapan ng nanarbaho mong bangko pero hamon yung mong kwarta nun. Bago na ko niingon nga komedyante ang nasa tubangan. Ang pinakuyo pa, Joy, si Sir Juan naghaka ang surprise, nangita siyang appeal. Ano to, tanga-tangahan? But anyways, welcome to our first set. At of course, marami pong magaganap tonight. Kasi nga po, we need to enjoy the rest of the night. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we were about to entertain the video presentation to be given by of course, Ma'am, kinsagay ka, ma'am? Ha? Precious. Ma'am Precious, nagbulkadats na ka, ma'am. Layo pa kayo ang kuya, ma'am. Siya si Precious. Ikaw, ma'am, nun, ikaw sige na, kasi tabaw, kasi makuha na kong TF, listen. And of course, Sir Joe, pwede ka dito para mas makita mo yung video presentation natin, ha? And once again, madam people, magpalakpakan tayo lahat. Hooray!